So here we go, right? Oh my goodness. And you know what? It's not as bad as it looks. So I finally grabbed a new area rug. I just had this here just for like a quick, right? So I did get a new one. I feel like this might be a 5x7. It's not even an 8x10, but I think I got a 9x13. I'm not even sure. So yeah, just to warm up here a little bit more, right? And yeah, because all the fall will be gone soon. Oh, okay. Hubby talking to me. He don't know I'm recording. We talking about football. So yes on that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to put this down quick and fast. So here is the new one over here. I forget. I think it's a 9x13. I'll know once I pull it out, but grabbed it from Amazon, right? We're still doing kind of that neutral. And remember, I pulled everything up a year ago because of Hershey's. So she's been doing pretty good. She rings the bell. So I think I'm safe. So yeah, this is what I grabbed. So far, I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. So she's loving it too. So it's gonna extend, this way, which is exactly what I wanted. So yes on that. Look at her, oh wow. Her hair, oh wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me finish it up. Hubby's about to come in and help. And she's not cooperating as usual. Hubby said, I don't need an extra 30 pounds to move. All right, hurry up. Oh, this is perfect. It's so soft too. I was leery. I'm thinking, let me start with this one and then, I'll do some things in the family room and possibly a new one for my bedroom. But that one, I feel like I'm going to take that up into the hallway. So, yeah. Huh? You got out of the Dodge right on time. Oh, Chicago? They're looking at 12 inches of snow. What? Oh my goodness. Hubby said I dodged Chicago. I got out just in time. That's crazy. 12 inches. I knew they said, oh wow. Yeah, I picked a good time to go. Huh? The Eagles are playing in Green Bay tomorrow. Oh, get out of here tomorrow night. Yeah. All right. I'm talking to y'all. He talking to me. It's a whole thing. But I absolutely love this. And it's so soft. It matches perfectly. I love it. So I want to start putting some things together. I think the dining room is going to be first this year, switching it up a little bit and doing the Disney dining room first. So you know how normally every year the ladder moves to this side, right? So that the tree can go in the corner. You're coming down the steps, you're in the kitchen, wherever you are, you can see the tree in the corner. So I was thinking I was going to move the little bar cart, right, that I thrifted over to this corner. And I'm like, how about I just move the ladder over here, put the tree here, and then we're even on both sides, straight ahead. Keep the bar cart where it is because it's a tiny space over there. And yeah, I just thought of that like 2 minutes ago. So I wanted to share it with you. So yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna flow. Okay. So I just want to fluff them out a little bit, right? I have this one, the two new trees, this multicolor one for the Disney dining room. And then I got another one, both from Walmart. That one has the warm lights, and that's going to be the winter, no, not the winter white, the family tree, a new family tree. So yes on that. Yeah, we'll do the Disney dining room decorating for the most part on Sunday. So hubby bought the 2 bins out for me, dining room, Disney tree. So yes on that. Oh, he even popped the top for me. Probably so I don't break my nail. So yes, okay, we good to go. Couple things in here. Yeah. Oh, I just got so excited. Oh, remember this? from Walmart last year, I feel like. Some sprinkles. I need to check the date on there. These from TJ. Oh, yeah, with the gingerbread in there. I only used a few last year. I'm going to try to do some more this year. Oh, yeah. What's this down here? Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Yes on that. Okay, so some gingerbread and the tree things. Oh, here's the runner for the table. Yes on that. Right, these are all the ornaments and things. You know, I stick the animals inside of the tree. So, yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Yes on that. Let me see what's in this other one. Oh, this is the Buffalo Check Aldi Gingy. That's what I wanted to see. What was going on in here? Oh, I see a little bit of gingerbread. Okay. Oh, yes. So these are the ones from last year, right? I was getting ready to say Harry Potter. I am so stuck on Harry Potter. Oh my goodness. I'm watching 6 now. Actually, I'm almost finished it. So I was trying to say Pottery Barn, girl. So yes on that. The dupes for those are in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I wasn't sure what was in here. All right. Let me close this up. So she's trying to get to know me. Girl. So here we go, right? Oh my goodness. And you know what? It's not as bad as it looks. Really, this is all the new good this year. But I have everything for every room on this dining room table, right? So, I mean, this is Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Home Goods, Target, right? TJ and Marshalls and probably something else I forgot to mention, but thrifting, right? That's all right here. Yeah, it's just, you know, so everything is right here. So what I wanted to do, but I wanted to show you first was to Aldi's. I forgot Aldi's is rocking. Oh my goodness. Yes. Yeah, these are Target, right? Yes, with the syrup, the maple syrup and the waffle with the butter pad. That is so funny. And then the gingerbread and the peppermint. So those were the only 2 that I wanted. But yeah, like Aldi's, all of this is rocking in here. So yeah, I wanted to show you before I started. What I want to do is place where the things are going to go in their designated rooms, right? So, obviously the dining room is a Disney dining room. So those things are going to stay here. I feel like a couple things always end up in the family room though, too. And yeah, so that's what I want to do. I was trying to strategize because I need to keep things up high now. I usually move it into its designated room and put it on the floor. I can't now with Hershey. So, oh my goodness. Yes, on that. I think this was Burlington. I feel like Walmart. I forgot Wally World. I forgot about them. Yeah, a couple Ornies back here. Yeah, the big bells. Where these come from? These was Aldi's, right? I feel like. Yes, on these candles. These were the ones I picked up in Chi-Town, right? Oh my goodness. So yes on that. These are beautiful, beautiful bows. I think these are going to go on the winter white. I'm so excited, you guys. So yeah, here is, what's this? This is the, yeah, the cake stand is rocking. Oh, that don't have nothing to do with Christmas, but I thought they were cute. Oh, does it? Chocolate hazelnut? No. I mean, it could if I decided to give it away. The gingerbread candle, right? This was Aldi's. Yeah, so everything is rocking. Wow. The gingerbread, I don't even know if you knew if I picked this up. No. I grabbed it from Home Goods. This was just the other day. I didn't film it. I just picked it up. I ran in. These over here, right? So I probably won't put this with this because of the color difference. You know what I mean? I have a couple salt and peppers, right? I got the Ray Dunn one down here. And then I got the Target one. So I don't know. This one has the peppermint going on. So I don't know. I want to see how it's going to rock because, you know, it might go bad. I picked up this, which you guys did not see. So super cute. I think I want to rock this downstairs in the new space because now we have a whole new space to decorate. And I got more pillows than I thought. Oh my goodness. A couple of those might have to go down. And this beautiful, beautiful throw. Oh my goodness. So yes on that. That was from Marshall's. So yeah. Ow! And the nativity scene, the gingerbread one that I never found. Finally, I found it. It was the only one. So it was this purchase, right? The bar sign, the house, and this right here. This was all purchased at Home Goods, and it was like I ran in. You know what I mean? So yeah, so it's not as bad as it looks, I feel like. You know what I mean? So once I spread everything out, I should be good to go. You know what I mean? Remember the stuff from Dollar General that was like 50% off? Oh my goodness, I'm just so excited. These are new. I picked up their candle warmers. You know, I'm all about those now, right? Aren't they so pretty? Oh my goodness, with the trees and the reindeer on them. Yes on that. Pick those up from Amazon. Those are from last year. We saw that, right? Here goes some new mugs from this year. Some things from Aldi's, right? Yes on that. Oh my goodness. There's one missing, my Mickey one, that looks like this. That looks like Winnie the Pooh. I don't know where that is. I think it's behind me. Yes on the retro, right? Aldi's. And yes on the Mickey gingerbread, right? This big old candy. So this is probably going to go on a ladder. We're going to work it from there, right? The coffee shop that I picked up. And I think the one I really, really wanted is over here on the bar. I'm going to bring it over. But yeah, so, you know, just a couple things. I just want to put everything in place. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick overview. Okay, I'm over here on the bar now. So yes, this is the one from Aldi's. I was so upset and then I found it in a different one. So yes on that, right? The bells from Dollar Tree that I was so excited about. So, and this is why I wanted them. I got these tree candles, right? So pretty. And that was my vision. I wanted to pick these up to put inside of the bells. It looks so pretty. So yeah. Oh, there's the Mickey mug back there. I knew it was somewhere. I thought it was behind me. So some more salt and pepper shakers, right? Rocking. And who knows what else I got in the bin. But yeah, so I kind of just put this over here just so it could be out so I could see what I had going on. But yeah, it's time for me to decorate in here now.